What if your robot could actually see and understand the world around it? This upgraded robot can recognize faces, colors, road signs, barcodes, and much more using artificial intelligence. In my previous video, I built this ACEBOTT QD001 smart robot car. But today, we are taking it to the next level by adding an AI Vision camera. First, let's quickly check what comes inside this AI Vision camera expansion kit. The most important part is the K210 AI Vision module. This is the camera system that gives our robot the ability to see and recognize different objects. We also get the camera holder parts, camera cable, and all the necessary screws and nuts for the installation. For testing the AI functions, ACEBOTT also included recognition cards and road signs boards. These will help us test different AI features later. Now let's install the AI Vision system on our robot. First, I open the upper chassis and prepare the robot for the camera upgrade. I remove the necessary parts to make space for the new AI module. Then I assemble the camera holder using the provided acrylic parts, screws and nuts. The camera is connected with the servo mechanism, which allow it to change the viewing angle. After that, I installed the K210 Vision module on the holder and adjusted the camera direction. Finally, the AI camera is mounted on the robot. For wiring, I followed the connection diagram provided by ACEBOTT. And after checking all connections, the robot is ready for programming. Now we need to upload the program to make the AI camera work. ACEBOTT provides a complete tutorial package from their website. The tutorial includes step-by-step guides, required libraries, and example codes. After downloading the files, we can prepare the programming environment by installing the required libraries and settings. Then we select the correct board and port and upload the code. And our AI robot is ready for testing. I opened the ACEBOTT app and connected the robot. Just like before, we can control the robot in every direction. But now we have a new option, AI mode. After activating AI mode, we can access the vision function of this robot. Let's start with QR code recognition. The camera scans the QR code and displays the information. It can also recognize barcodes, allowing the robot to understand different visual information. Next, we have digit recognition. The robot can identify numbers using its AI camera. The robot can also recognize different colors. And it can track a selected color and follow its movement. Now let's test image recognition. The AI system analyzes what the camera sees and recognizes the image. With AI Vision, line tracking becomes smarter. The camera helps the robot detect the path and follow the line. And now for one of the most interesting features, road sign recognition. The robot can recognize different signs and change its movement. For example, it can turn left, it can turn right, or continue straight depending on the detected sign. One of the coolest features is face recognition. These AI systems also support machine learning. So this was my experience upgrading the ACEBOTT robot car with AI Vision. Once again, thanks to ACEBOTT for sending me this amazing AI Vision robot kit. If you are interested in building this robot yourself, I will leave the product link and discount coupon in the description. Don't forget to subscribe because in the next project, we'll continue exploring more robotics experiments. See you in the next build.